Hey everyone, this is Earl Foote, founder, CEO of Nexus IT here in Nexus HQ in downtown Salt Lake. I'm here with one of our newest recruits, Michael Malmborg. Michael has joined us as a Tier 2 escalations engineer. Super happy about having Michael on the team. He's already receiving glowing accolades from our clients and doing a great job with his team. Michael, welcome to the team first off.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you want to tell everybody a little bit about yourself, maybe about your career that's led you here and something unusual about yourself?
So I've actually worked with MSPs for quite some time already. I've been to a few different MSPs, and truly and honestly, I fell in love with Nexus from the start. The way that I've been treated, the way that I've been received, the way that just everything about Nexus really resonates with me. And I feel like I can grow and I can do more and I can always do better here than any of the other MSPs I've worked for. So it's great being here, and I'm really excited to be here. Something interesting about myself is I actually got into the IT industry late. I was actually studying to become a veterinarian before, and I found out how much money veterinarians don't make. So I switched to computers. So I got a little bit of a late start, but absolutely love technology and computers and don't want it any other way.
Awesome. Well, Michael, again, welcome to the team. We're super glad to have you.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.